So you need a very good lightening facial cream like Super Lightening Facial Cream that gets the job done. Then look normal, because this list of face cream are going to hydrate your face, glow in your face, repair your face, treat you from any dark spots, blemishes, discoloration, dark marks, and hyperpigmentations on the face. Like your face is not giving. These are result giving face creams that when you use them, your face will glow. You don't need much, your face is going to glow. Hey besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across this beautiful face here, you're welcome. I am Ijoma and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If the video like this is something you're interested in, please kindly hit the subscribe button and join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop a new video you will be notified. Do you understand? And please kindly help me hit the like button. It's going to go a long way in supporting and encouraging me to drop more content. Thank you very much. I'm reviewing these face creams in no particular order. Anyone you can lay your hand on, just get them, and they are all good. None is more effective than the other. Do you understand? So don't think that the first is more active or the last is least active. They are all active lightening, super lightening and whitening face creams. Do you understand? So the first on my list today is the EV White facial cream. This face cream is one face cream that I don't joke with. This is my face cream. If you watch my video some time ago, you will notice that I had some hyperpigmentation. I was sick for some times, and I developed some pigmentations on my face. This face cream helped me in clearing sunburn. If you know that you are struggling with sunburn, this is one face cream you should get. This is a super whitening face cream. It is written Triple Whitening Face Cream. It does what it says it will do. This is a very good face cream you should not joke with. It is from Evolve Cosmetics. This face cream is so good. It is a triple action facial cream. It helps in correcting any blemishes on the face. It will leave your skin glowing. It moisturizes the face so well, and it will give you a flawless face. This is one face cream that does the job. Like if you need something sure face cream that whitens, you can lay your hand on EV White. This is one of my face cream. This is my face cream. Like this is my face cream. This face cream does the job. If you need something to whiten your face, my dear, go and lay your hand on this EV White face cream. It whitens the skin so well. It will give you a flawless skin. It will give you a flawless, glowing, well moisturized skin. It treats the skin if you have dark spot. But one thing is, when you start seeing the results, you tone down the usage. Do you understand? You now use it 2 or 3 times in a week, while you use moisturizers on the days that you won't be using it. So how I use it is, after I apply my serum, I go in with this, then I go in with the Passy Pristine Flame Loss Essence, Snail Essence. I use it and buff it up, then that is it for the night. I use it only at night. So please, this face cream is so active. So if you know that you need a very good face cream, go and lay your hand on EV White face cream. The second on my list is the glutathione comprime facial cream. This face cream is one face cream that will not give you problem. This face cream will repair, hydrate your skin, give you a flawless glowing skin. It has anti-aging benefit. Like when you're using this face cream, you will literally look younger than your age. Like I don't know one thing in this face cream that gives it this anti-aging benefits. Like this face cream is good. It will clear sunburn, dark spots. You have any pigmentation on your face, acne mark, this is one face cream you should get and start using. It contains glutathione, it contains vitamin C in it, it contains arbutin that helps in brightening up the skin so well. And one thing is, it is very moisturizing. So get this face cream and you're good to go. Another face cream that I can beat my chest for is the Snapchat face cream. This face cream is a strong lightening face cream. The milk color is amazing. That one is for people with caramel skin that needs to just tone up a bit. That is for the milk color. But the blue and the black sometimes gets me confused, is because I don't know which is more active. But I think this product works majorly based on your skin type, so just know the one that will be more suitable for you. But be rest assured that this is going to lighten you up so well, especially if you have a very sensitive skin and you need a very good lightening face cream. Just lay your hand on the Snapchat face cream and you just sleep and watch your skin glow. The next face cream on my list today is the Active White Face Cream. This face cream is super whitening. It is super whitening. If you know the glutathione vitamin C face cream, this is from the same brand, and this, I think this is more active. This one is active, very active. This one helps you in clearing sunburn, dark spot, hyperpigmentation from the face. This is a face cream you can use for a very long time and you will not have any skin issue. Do you understand? Just pair it with a very good mild soap, like the likes of Dove pink bar soap or the beauty bar soap, and you are good to go. Please don't use any ash soap alongside this face cream. This face cream is so active. It is very good and mild, and it's very active in lightening. It will give you up to 2 or 3 shades, and please use it mainly at night. All these face cream I'm reviewing today, please use them. It is best to use at night, or maybe you are at home, you are not going out of the sun, or you work in an environment where you are not always exposed. Maybe you are always under the AC. Your weather in your country is nice. You don't have ash weather like Nigeria where it is severely hot. You can use it morning and night. And the 5th face cream on our list today is the new Experience face cream. Yes, I know that it is trending, but this is not about trend. If I'm not sure about something, I'm not gonna talk about it. This face cream is actually very good. This is a very active whitening face cream. It has the stage 1 and the stage 2. The stage 1 is majorly for people that want to maintain, that just want to tone up a little bit, but the stage 2 is for people that want extra whitening effect on their face. Do you understand? So, and it is best used in the night as well. It will help you in treating dark spots, melasma, and will lighten your skin so flawlessly. It's so good. Yeah, this face cream is so good, and it's not fast action as such. It's not a fast action face cream as such, but it will lighten you with time. Do you understand? This next face cream is active. Like under 7 days you're going to get a massive good result. Like under 7 days, this face cream is going to whiten you up under 7 days. And this is the Cranevoberry face cream. It is from the Evolve Cosmetics. So this is one face cream that can clear any facial discoloration in a very short period of time. So if you have a party coming up or an event coming up and you need something to help you enhance your beauty at a very short period of time, and it will not damage your skin in any way, this is one face cream you should just get. It's so good and lovely. Just pair it with the face soap. It has a face soap. Just pair it together and you would turn to Oyibo pepper. You turn to Oyibo pepper in a very short period of time, and your skin will be glowy. But one thing is, when you get the result, please try and maintain it. Yeah, this is a face cream that when you achieve the color you want, you just maintain it with a glowy face cream. Do you understand? Now the 7th on our list is the Snow White and Radiant face cream. This is a luxurious face cream. Like, I call this face cream miracle in a jar. If you are the type you need a face cream that will give you anti-aging benefits, that's going to lighten you up to 2 shades and give you a very flawless, brighter looking skin, that will remove dark spot and discoloration from your face, then this is your best bet. You see, this face cream is going to gradually lighten you. It's not a fast action face cream, but it's going to gradually give you the best result you want. This gives you a very lovely, flawless, skin like milk kind of face. Do you understand? It's going to clear melasma, the sunburn, dark spot, any discoloration from your face, and it's going to lighten your face up to like 2 shades. It is Snow White. It's going to give you a radiant face, just like the name implies. If you have a sensitive skin and you're looking for the kind of face cream that will whiten your face and at the same time will not irritate your sensitive skin, this is one face cream you should not joke with. Grab it and use. Now the last on our list, which is the cheapest and the most affordable in the list, but it is one face cream that does the job, is the Peau de Leun face cream. If you know this cleanser here, this is the face cream here. This face cream does wonders. When they tell you Osha Prapra face cream, this is one face cream you should go. So if you need a face cream that will whiten you under few weeks, that will give you a very good face like fine color, yellow face, treat dark spots from your face, you have pimple, acne marks, scars and stuff like that, this is one face cream you should go and buy. You don't need long talk, just get it and use. You can pair it with the facial cleanser and you're good to go. Please, whenever using any of this lightening face cream, please use it with caution, because the way you use your face cream matters so well. It will determine the result you get from these face creams. Because when you're using a lightening face cream, please get an hydrating moisturizer, essence, and a very good serum and a very good face wash or face soap, and pair alongside with it. So with this, you're going to get a very good result, and you're not going to have problems whatsoever. You will not start breaking. Maybe it's lighting your face this week, the next week you're looking darker. No, always alternate your face cream. When you start seeing results from your face cream, what you're going to do is use hydrating face moisturizer. You can get the Nivea Soft. You can now pair it with a very good essence, pair it with a very good facial serum. In one of my video here, I talked about how you can select the right serum for your skin type and also your skin concern. Do you understand? Especially for your skin type, I mention on how you can choose the right serum for your skin type. So get a very good serum. Don't use your face cream every minute, every day. Morning you're packing face cream, lightening face cream, the night lightening face cream, tomorrow, like 7 days in a week lightening face cream. No, you are going to end up damaging your face. You're going to end up having sunburn. You're going to end up having pimples, like discoloration. You start having red veins, green veins on your face. Yes, that is, you're abusing the face cream. So if you want to get a very flawless skin using a lightening product or a whitening product, make sure you are pairing it alongside an hydrating essence or a moisturizer. In the morning, you use your moisturizer, and don't joke with your sunscreen. At night, layer your face serum, your toner or your essence, then your lightening face cream. With that, you're going to get a very good and lasting result. You're not going to start looking bleached or so. Do you understand? So that's how to use your face cream to get a good result. Do you understand? And I hope this video was very much helpful. Please kindly like this video, give me a thumbs up, share this video to people that might be in need of it, and thank you for hanging out with me today. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.